looking here at the furnace in the hallway, and you'll see the controls down here. This is for lighting the pilot or turning it off. This is for adjusting the temperature. When you light you want to read the controls at the top of the dial, unlike in the master bedroom where you read them at the bottom of the dial. So when you would have set the pilot, right now, on is at the top, so it's on. And you can see, I think you can see here, the flame is over here. Pilot light flame is over here. Okay, oh, no, take that. Okay, so when you go to light the pilot light, you're going to turn this to pilot, press and hold that in. I think you have to hold it in, I'm not sure. And then light, bring the flame right up in here. This is the gas line coming up in here. And then you'll see a little blue come on above. It means your pilot is lit, and once it's lit, you're gonna hold that for about 30 seconds and then turn this to the on position, on top. And at the end of the season, if you want to turn it off, you rotate it so the off is on top. And this is your controller to set the temperature. Right now we're on the lowest setting, and if we turned it to a higher number, it would turn up. That's it. Pretty simple. Just know that this is the gas line that goes to the pilot. So that's where you want to aim your flame when you're lighting the pilot.